Panaginipan.
Wala panaginipan na nga.
Let's go to journalism.
Ano
Woohoo!
nangyari gawa niya na daw si Kian?
Sino Kian?
Look at the forest.
Ko yung dati.
It's so interesting. It's so majestic. Michael is so majestic.
Nung grade 4, ma'am, crush ni Daniela.
And Michael is a forest.
What the hell?
Si Nigel.
Nah.
Ang hottest traffic. Fine.
No, I'm videoing this forest. I'm videoing this forest.
How? Ang daming puno. Oo, si Lucy.
Mookie.
Di ba yung ancestor?
No, more like apes. More like apes.
Ocean pala yun. Yan yung mga punong yan. Come on, landslide. You're my ancestor.
No.
Pag pinuto yung mga puno yan. Yung iniisip. Pag pinutol yung mga puno, pag nag-landslide, diretso sa
Pero hindi magla-landslide kung mayroon pang maraming puso, kakapin sila dun sa lugar.
Hindi magla-landslide pag madaming puso.
Yay! That's a beautiful roast.
A rose fire cry.
No, that's not the meaning of the roast I'm saying.
Ako lang yung babae.
Look! We're here! We're here! Let's go!
Grade 5. Lalaking grade 5.
Yes! Wee! No, 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 no. Chang, 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 xiao, chong, xiao, xing, xiao, chang. Xing, xiao, chang.
Ako.
Pancakes. Okay.
Yes.
This will be recommended for you in 17 years.
Tawa kami net. Pero 6.
Someone's talking. Bro, someone's talking.
Wow, ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Wow. Ay, diyan kami kumain. Tinitingnan.
Kumain?
Tutulog na talaga ako. Seryoso.
Kaya't yung pagwala ng
Abandoned house.
dinadaanan pagtapos.
Okay.
Sports. Kami lang tatay sa SLS.
The system has officially reached the forest. The beautiful natural forest.
Bro, what are you talking about?
We are exhibiting the beautiful trees we see.
Bro, stop!
Sana naman ay
Bro, why?
maganda-ganda.
Why are you not making a news?
Bro, I'm gonna be a tour guide.
Okay.
I'm just videoing this and I'm gonna post it to YouTube. I'm gonna post it on my YouTube channel. Where's the child? I don't know. Where's the child? Jinx.
May opinion sa yung sa pagpo-follow, meron sa pinanood na yung kambal sa alaman. Ay, oo, yun. Nagbigay ako ng opinion pa galing kay Lateration.
Just registration at least.
Hindi kambal sa alaman yung sa
Portable
akin.
ang iyong
Isa penetration lang nakalagay.
ay ngayon. Wala kang kasi registration.
Nilagay ko ng paragraph ay kambal
Talaga
sa
naman
alaman.
magsasuffer ka naman sa mga hindi
Ano?
maayos.
Tawag doon?
Kaya
Nilagay ko ay
gagamitin ang kanilang school. Dapat naman ay pinaayos. Napakahalaga ng napakahalaga ng CR. Hindi mo paano pinagtawin. Dapat dapat iayos.
Are you ready for journalism?
No. Yes. No. I know.
Let's go.
Ah! I didn't say no.
50-50.
What?
Malaro naman na sa Pilipinas. Ay, paano ginawa ninyo? Ay, dito siya.
Sa ano naman ang rumay maganda?
Ay, ginahanay ko maganda ka.
Lalo na yun.
Malamang, maaaring lahat sa Lukban ay maganda. That means everything in Lukban is gonna be so beautiful.
May mga dilaw-dilaw. Yup. Doon talaga sa Boy Scout. Sa may pinakamalapit na station na CR sa building. Grabe sila doon CR.
Hey guys.
Hindi ko alam kung ano na yun.
We're here. We're here. I see the sea. I see the sea.
Repeating.
I see the sea.
Oh!
I see the sea, guys.
See the sea. What? Oh, palaya. Nakikita niya yung
Kita na. Kita ko rin yung.
vlogger.
Kita ko yung Sena.
Wow!
Tapos, malapit na tayo. Nagkita ng Manila.
Tutorial pa tayo.
Kita natin ng Manila kaunti. That's because it's the highest mountain in the Quezon province.
Hi guys, na yun.
Quezon National Forest Park. Approved by 1969. President Ferdinand Marcos and Government Anacleto Alcala. Okay, that's interesting. But why is the President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. built this zigzag park here in Antimonan while this isn't even popular by his instincts? Let's go! We're going vacation for a while. Yeah.
Ano? Dahil...
1969 pinanganak si Sir Luzon, yung principal natin.
What?
1969?
Luna ka. Ayun pang
Mark.
Ano kasi,
Oh,
Kaya may
seems like
naganon.
the part of
dahil...
the president's name is been must.
din.
Must. I mean must. You know what I really mean, bro.
Gets mo?
Ferdinand Marcos.
Lagi ako dito
Ano
napunta.
to, Alcala? It's so nice. 1969. So old.
Doon na yung ano ko, pag-get na. So, pinsan niya?
Go here in Antimonan, Philippines. Quezon.
Insanin.
Let's
Come on,
go.
Insanin.
Let's go have some fun. Let's go run through the sun. Oh! Wow!
Bro, ganda.
Ang ganda. The view.
Dito may monkey dyan.
Moe. Basta moe.
What is moe?
Muki.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey. Monkey. There's no monkey here.
There's no monkeys.
Monkey.
Do you know where the monkeys are?
I don't know.
They are our...
They are our ancestors.
No.
Ay ancestors? Okay, goodbye.